primetime news this evening, earthquake jitters. Increasing number of Jamaicans traumatized by frequent tremors in recent weeks. St. Thomas community stifled by little to no technology access. A TVJ News in Focus report. And traffic chaos. Motorists livid as new traffic system in Mandeville leads to major delays.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, a major financial entity has recorded close to 70% increase in net profit. Get details later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Oh, well, Archie, the ISA President Keith Wellington has been assessing the whole schoolboy football season, which culminates on Wednesday, in fact. There's one sore point, though. The scenes at the end of the Manning Cup final between Mona and Hydel left a bitter taste in the mouth of the ISA hierarchy. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Why are you looking at me?
No comment.
All right, that's right. But somebody who has to comment this evening is Romaine. What's coming up in the weather report and forecast?
Thanks, Janella. Now, this week we are expecting a mixed bag with the weather. We're expecting some shower activity and cloudy conditions on Wednesday, but quickly drying out on Thursday. And there's also the likelihood of a frontal system in the vicinity of Jamaica near the weekend.
I was going to say that. He needs to say whether it's going to be cold or cool. That's what I want to know. There is also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this is what we're asking. What has been your experience lately with cell phone connectivity?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.